Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I have a new swatch and review video for you guys. These are beautiful glittery holographic nail polishes by Nicole Diary. You can get these at bornprettystore.com. I actually have a 20% discount if you want to use it, that is FEM20, but you can also find it in my description box as well as in the pinned comment down below. But yeah, I'm just going to swatch these all as usual on one of my nail wheels, and yeah, I'm just pretty much in love with this collection. So these polishes are by Nicole Diary. They contain 6 milliliters each and are packed with glitter. There's a lot of holographic glitter in each and every single bottle. There are about 12 colors you can choose from, but I received 7 to just try them out, show you guys. I'm also going to make a design with some of these, so I'm really excited to share with you that design as well. I think it will be up in the end of this week, but I'm not sure yet. But this was already the first one, really gorgeous. I do have to mention, they just came like this, like of course wrapped in like a Ziploc bag, but they don't contain any boxes. Like usually the Born Pretty store brand or collection or line or however you want to call it all come in their own little like separate boxes, but these polishes just came in a Ziploc bag, which is good enough for me personally. Usually I just get rid of the boxes anyways, but yeah, I just wanted to mention that, you know, just for the record. These polishes are quite like sparse, but there are some bigger glitters in here as well, which means that you can easily make this super opaque on your own nails. And the only downside is that these polishes don't have names but numbers. So if you do want to check out some of the polishes, I will definitely leave the link in the pinned comment, like down below in the comment section, as well as in the description box, so you can actually check them out for yourself. They are really inexpensive as well, just like $169 in dollars. I think they're actually in sale at the moment as well, and of course you can use my discount code. But yeah, here you can just see all of the colors that I got. I'm really in love with this beautiful light pink sparkly silver holographic one, but the previous one I swatched is really nice as well. That one kind of had like a rosy red kind of pink jelly base, so you will get more coverage with that color compared to the gold that I swatched secondly, or the light like rosy pink one I just swatched. Oh, and also this one is gorgeous. It's like a bluish purple holographic kind of glitter polish. They all pretty much have the same kind of base. The only thing is the third one of course had a little bit of like that reddish kind of jelly base, but most of the polishes in this collection, or at least the colors that I received so far, have a clear base. That isn't a bad thing. That actually makes it like easier to use. You can combine it with every single base color if you want to. So yeah, I'm pretty much excited about these. I have already made a design with some of these colors, as I mentioned earlier in this video, and they are so beautiful. I really love working with those, and I'm definitely going to make more designs with these polishes because you know me, I just love my glitter and my bling and just sparkliness all the way, and they're holographic. Like what else could you wish for in a glitter polish? But as you can see, there are different shapes and sizes of glitter in each of these bottles in this particular collection. I pretty much like it. I also really like that the bottles aren't that big because it is glitter nail polish. They tend to dry like quick, or at least faster than regular like creamy polishes do. So usually glitter polishes tend to dry out pretty easy in the bottles as well, especially if you're not really working fast. The bottles might be standing open for a longer period of time and the polishes might become thick or clumpy. So I actually really like that there's only 6 milliliters in those, and then again, they were really affordable as well. So yeah, big plus in my opinion. And also, who like actually empties nail polish bottles? Like I do use up a lot of base and top coats and sometimes a glitter polish, but I can't imagine seeing myself actually emptying these bottles, like not all of them anyways. But yeah, here I'm just going to apply the second layer to all of the swatches already, just to show you how they look with 2 layers, because a lot of you will definitely really want to wear it opaque. You could also sponge these on if you want to give it like a really fast opaque effect. It's totally up to you how you like. You can just apply one layer if you want a little bit of glitter. Like, it's not like really possible to get just a little bit of glitter with these polishes, but you know what I mean. If you just apply one layer, it is already packed with glitter, but you can still see the base color that you might have applied underneath. So if that is something that you really like, you can definitely go for that with these polishes as well. I just love a lot of glitter, a lot of bling. Another fun thing that you can do with these polishes is just to pick the bigger glitters out of it and just only apply those to the nail. If you feel like I want just a little bit more of that bigger, like chunky glitter, you can just pick them out with a little toothpick or a dotting tool or something off of the brush, and you can just place them wherever you want to. I do wanted to mention that the brushes are actually pretty nice to work with. I didn't have any issues like getting no chunky glitter at all, for example, but yeah, I just really like it, and they're really affordable. So that was already my quick and snappy swatch and review video. Once again, you can use my discount code FEM20 at bornprettystore.com if you want to, just to save a little bit of extra money on your purchase. And I'd say definitely check these out because they're gorgeous. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.